What do you think the role of academia is in transmission of culture?
It's what we got. I mean, it's one of the avenues we have. It's not ideal. I mean, people who learn all their Yiddish in an academic environment, you know, it's good to have some other sources. But it's better than nothing. So I'm not gonna complain about the death of Yiddish because somebody exclusively learned Yiddish, you know, Klal Yiddish in the classroom. Too bad. I mean, you know, I'm not as Jewish as my grandparents. So what? That's at a certain point I realized that I don't want to just be an academic, but being involved in other stuff and being involved in Jewish cultural stuff on that level is very important as well.
Can you tell me why that's important to you?
Because it's beyond academia, because it's a real culture.